Hey guys, rise and shine. It's a great day for some ELA, and it's also Thursday, April 9th. And we've got just one more day till Friday. And double bonus, we get to start a brand new novel today called The Outsiders. And I am super excited. I love this book. I read it in 7th grade, and it changed my life. Actually, it didn't really change my life, but it's still really good book to read. So anyway, let's go ahead and get into this. So first thing is go to TO Chapter 1, Quiz 1. You're going to click on that. And when that opens up, you're going to see you have 2 tasks for today. The first task is to read Chapter 1 from The Outsiders. Now, if you don't remember where to find the book, I'm going to back up for a minute and show you. So you're going to go into the Outsiders online copy, and the whole book is scanned in, so you can actually read it all right here, right in the comfort of your own home on your own device. And now we're going to go back, and I'm going to show you a couple more things. So after you read Chapter 1, you're going to go ahead and complete gist notes. This video will explain how to fill out the gist notes, and it'll go through where to find them and all of the requirements. Okay, so please make sure to follow the directions on Canvas. That's why they are posted right here, so just read carefully. Now the next thing, task 2, says you're going to take the Outsiders Quiz 1, but before you do that, notice your directions. It says please watch the video before taking the quiz. So you'll watch this video, and then to take the quiz, you'll just click on this link, and then it opens up, and you can start the quiz. But please watch the video before, follow those directions carefully. Okay guys, thanks for tuning in, and good luck today. It's almost Friday.